How to delete Facebook account. First, open Facebook. And once you're in Facebook, what you have to do is basically go to your profile. And here in the corner, you will be able to see your profile picture or anything related to your profile. Just go ahead and press on it. And you'll be here. Once you're here, just scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Go ahead and press on settings and privacy. Again, just press on settings. Now it will bring you here. Just press on the option of Account Center. You'll be able to see more in Account Center option. Just press on it and it will bring you here. But you just have to go to the specific option called Personal Details. Press on it and here you will be able to see 4 options, but you just have to go to the last option called Account Ownership and Control. Just press on it and here you will be able to see 2 options. But you want to delete your account, so you have to press on Deactivation or Deletion. Once you go right over here, you obviously have to choose your Facebook account. And here you go, so you get 2 options right over here. First one is Deactivate account. Deactivate account basically means you can just temporarily deactivate your account and you can just activate it back again. But there is another option that is called Delete account. So this is a permanent option to end your account once and for all. So you just, if you want to delete your account permanently, you could just press on it and just press continue. And then if you want to delete, if you have any page with it, you could delete the page with it too. So if the account is gone, the page is gone with it too. You just have to press continue after that. And then just tell them the reason that why are you deleting Facebook. So you just basically give them the reason and then just press continue. And then just press again continue to confirm again. And then basically you just have to press continue again, and in the end here it will ask you for your password, but you just have to put your password, and then after that your account will be deleted. So yeah, I don't want to delete my account, but this is the last step. After that your account will be permanently deleted. So yeah, this is it on how to delete Facebook account. I hope that helped you out. So yeah, that's it. Goodbye.